The Hisense AX5120G Soundbar Kit offers an immersive audio experience with its 9 built-in speakers, creating a three-dimensional soundscape that enhances your entertainment. With Dolby Atmos and DTS:X support, this soundbar brings a new level of realism to your movies, games, and music by providing spatial audio that truly surrounds you. The wireless subwoofer included with the Hisense AX5120G delivers powerful low-end frequencies, adding depth and impact to your favorite content without the clutter of wires. Connecting the soundbar to your television is a breeze thanks to HDMI eARC technology, allowing seamless integration and control with a single remote. Bluetooth connectivity enables easy wireless music streaming from your smart devices, making it convenient to enjoy your playlists with high-quality sound. With quick touch EQ modes, you can easily optimize audio settings for different content types, ensuring the best sound performance for music, movies, and news.